Hey guys, what's up? It's Mirafi and welcome to my another video. For the first time I am doing a electric bike review and I am so excited. It's not an ordinary bicycle, it's a feature-packed electric bike. This bike is from DYU and the model is A1F Pro. In today's video I will unbox the product and show some extraordinary features of this product. And one thing, this bike is so comfortable in riding and the looks was really awesome. Okay, here is the box of this bike and now I will do a quick unboxing. Firstly, we will show a box. Inside this box, and after unbox this, we will get a pedal, charger, and extra some keys. And within this key, you can attach all the parts of this bike. Okay, now we will see a charger for charging this bike, and here are all the informations. And this charger is 63 watt. After that, we will get our bike, and here is the bike. And now we will attach all the attachments. It is a very easy process. I think you need to read that user manual. It is a very easy process. You can easily do it. Okay, here is our bike, and one thing, this bike is a folding electric bike. You can carry this bike very easily and go to anywhere. Also, you can go to public transport. This bike has 250 watt brushless motor. The maximum power is 350 watt motor, torque 10 nanometer. You can see it is very well made and you can ride very easily. A main highlighted point of this e-bike is you can easily fold this bike and you can carry it in your car. You can see I am doing this very easily. So when you are going on a tour, I think you need to carry a e-bike. And after reaching your destination, you can easily get this bike. So yeah, and now you will unfold this bike and enjoy the ride.
Before we continue, I want to talk about Wondershare Dr. Phone. Whether you need to recover lost data, transfer files between iOS and Android, manage your phone's data wirelessly, or even backup and restore your content, Dr. Phone has you covered. It also offers advanced features like GPS mocking, system repair, making it truly comprehensive mobile solution. One feature that really stands out is the screen lock bypassing tool. If you have ever found yourself locked out of your phone, you know how frustrating it can be. Whether it's a forgotten PIN, pattern, or even Face ID not working, Dr. Phone's screen unlock feature can help you regain access to your device without any data loss. It supports both Android FRP and Apple's activation locks, making it a lifesaver in those tough situations. This feature is super easy to use. Even if you are not tech savvy, in just a few simple steps, you can remove any lock screen and get back into your phone in no time. It's safe, reliable, and works with both iOS and Android devices, making it a versatile solution for everyone. So, if you find yourself locked out of your phone or just want to explore all amazing features Dr. Phone has to offer, I highly recommend giving it a try. You can find the link to download it in the description below.
The build quality of this bike is fully metal and it has safe braking. It's high quality brake disc for a safer ride. It has 36 volt 7.8 amp hour battery and the maximum range will be 40 km. And here you can see all the details. I think you need to see this. And you can easily plug your bike in your home socket very easily and the charging time will be 5 to 6 hours. You can see it has 3 different modes, a low, medium, high. And you can use this modes while riding. Also, you will get a good quality bell. I checked it and it was nice. And here is the main riding button. By pressing it, this bike will start moving. You always hold it down and the bike will continue to move. And now you just enjoy the ride, and the riding experience was so awesome. You know, in USA it is very hassle to carry a car, but by using this bike you can go anywhere with this. And I checked, the tire quality of this bike was really good. Also, while pedaling it gives me a good experience. And the overall size of this e-bike, it is 16 inch. The product weight is 21.2 kg and the load capacity is 75 kg. Also, this bike has a front light. I checked it, the light quality was good. And these front lights and rear reflectors make riding at night safer. I forgot to mention one thing, this bike has a basket You can attach this basket in the front of your bike and you can carry your grocery item here. So now I won't talk anymore. Now you will enjoy the experience of riding. If you guys ask me how this bike feels, I will say this bike is awesome. And it is my first experience. I am reviewing this electronic bike, and my first experience was really awesome. I am really happy with this product. Also, this bike has IP54 certification. For this it is waterproof, but please not go in heavy rain. Okay, so now enjoy some extraordinary footages. I really like this folding facility of this e-bike. Now I can carry my bikes everywhere and I really love to do hill riding. Okay, so this is the review of DYU A1F Pro 16-inch folding electric bike. This product has 1 year warranty and the color variant is 1 and that is black. If you guys live in USA, then this product is highly recommended for you guys. I really love the product, the quality, the looks, the riding experience, that was too awesome. So yeah, this product is highly recommended. You can purchase it. Please check description box. There are all the links. So no more today. Stay well, stay happy. Goodbye.